Got the MacBook running. It's going to need a power adapter, and also it's going to need a fan as well. Wait a minute. Now with Restore, I've oh wait. All right, we got the machine opened. There we go. A bunch of fun stuff. Let's see if this light does any. Oh my god, it's gonna be. It's whatever. All right, it's whatever. Let's go ahead and remove a few things. First, easy one. We're gonna get the hard drive out. Okay. Next, let's go ahead and remove the power board. Okay. We'll remove the RAM. Okay, nice and comfy. Let's get going. Let's pry apart all these little tabs. I don't know what the fuck they're. Fuck. It's been a while since I worked on one of these. Come in for y'all. This one, I believe we pull it back. Give it a little wiggle. That's the Wi-Fi. Okay, so all that's good. That little gizmo, the hard drive. Then back down here, we got this one as well. Now this one, see this little flap? It has like kind of like a weird little latch thing. There we go. And then we pull it back. So just give a little wiggle. I don't know if can I. Okay. There's this little guy. Sometimes it might be cracked. You don't have to remove this, but I don't know if it's part of the hinge. It's some annoying fucking piece. That's all I can tell you. To remove the motherboard, or the logic board as Apple likes to call it, we're only going to touch the screws that have a Torx head on it. So I believe this is a Torx 6. Oh shit, we are with the Rockies. And now I'm going to lift this up and hopefully get it in one fell swoop. Oh, got the one hard drive. That's the keyboard, I'm pretty sure. That one's a keyboard, yeah. Because it has like a bunch of little things and has power as well. I think we got all of those. Now, there's no point in removing these ones with the Phillips heads for the RAM. Don't worry about those ones. We're not going to remove them. And as we come across, we see we have another little gizmo. All right, I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Oh, down here. Well, I didn't really start right there, but there's one more screw. Dropped it round to the logic board. Now it's toasted, and we have to buy another logic board. Okay, let's see if what do we got. Also, I do have to say, the power board, there is another connector down here that's also a pain in the ass. And when you lift up on this logic board or whatever you want to call it, oh, let me see if I can change these fucking settings. There we go. The heatsink is going to be connected, so just make sure that doesn't get bent. Okay, just doing a little wiggly, because the power is still connected back here. A lot of these, if you're expecting extra money on return on this part, I don't really recommend it. Many people just buy a MacBook and they don't care if you did this stuff, this refresh. It's not really a big deal to them. They just want a MacBook. Let's see if I can move that. Okay. So basically this was the battery right there is kind of contacting it. See, we have it kind of pried out. Woof! It's kind of gross, but we have a power connector. We also have, yeah, we have that power connector, and we have another cable over here. Oh no, this cable, Jesus Christ. All right, so the best way to do this from right here is we're gonna have to get rid of this little power holder. These screws are a lot longer, so we're gonna place them elsewhere. All right, that's loose. Oh yeah, I forgot. We do gotta. I want to say we have to remove this because this little fucking gizmo. Here is our motherboard, or logic board. Excuse me. This is just Intel graphics, so it's just one heatsink. Look how fucking god, it's disgusting. Oh, look at that! I didn't even blow this all the way. Basic, no graphics or anything. And the screws, I don't believe a Phillips Zero will undo this. There is some play. And these screws, they fucking just jump out on you. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they just come right out. See, yeah. So the little springs will come out. That's one thing you might fuck up on. Or at least I will. All right, so let's go ahead and remove that. That is some old shit right there. And now, oh fuck, do I not have? Oh man, I don't think I have paper towels over here. Damn. Okay, we do have this disgusting terry cloth. Okay, so just a simple clean. Honestly, if there's stuff on the edges, it's honestly not a big deal. Just leave it like that, okay? Just leave it like that. Because there's been times where I try to clean it out and those little transistors or whatever, they come off. So since then, I don't really mess with that. And we're gonna also take this out as well. Okay, now let's go ahead. We got some isopropyl alcohol. Nice and wet. And just let it dry. Let's do on this one. And just be gentle. Nice and wet. And it dries. Let's see if I could. I don't know if we could. Will we see the little swirls? Oh yeah. See how it goes away? Okay, and you're good. You are good, and I'm good. Let's get our thermal paste. Nice dab. Oh fuck. Okay. Sweet. There we go. And if I'm pretty sure the NVIDIA graphics are right there, but it's not there. However, so if it had discrete graphics, then we just put that goop shit right on there. But since it doesn't, we're good. And honestly, getting one of these without the NVIDIA graphics is, to be honest, I actually would rather prefer that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this back on. It just goes on. It's gonna go on all weird. All right, and let's go ahead and get our screws in. And when you're holding on to these, make sure you have your thumb or your finger to help hold on to a little spring. Okay, here's some weird grinding sound. That's good. Got a little bit rougher right there. Oh shit, it's not even... Okay. And that is it. I'm not gonna mess with this. And yeah, we're good. We're good right there. Let's go ahead and get our system back. Now I think about it, this speaker, look at all this crap. Ugh. That is nasty. Oh my god, some of the shit's not coming off. Okay, let's go ahead and just wipe it off as best we can. And now I think about it, let's go ahead and start working on the hinges. Let's see. Okay. Oof. All right, so we got a few hinges or something. We got some shit going on. I don't know if these are the hinges. Nope. So there's like a fucking on this end. Let's zoom in. I'm sorry, everybody. We got these. These come out. Very rarely do I ever come across where this part's broken, but it's kind of like just like a frame. It's just part of the frame structure. And we have one. This is with on the left side, Wi-Fi cards in the way and the speaker. But yeah, there's also one right there. Supposedly, this part, they call it the clutch cover. But you're supposed to use a spudger to take this out. But honestly, can we brute it out? I think we could brute this shit out. Fuck. God. Does it only come out on this side? Could use a ram to bust this thing open. Whoops. Let's not scrape that. Oh shit. Oh, does it fucking come off? Oh, fuck me. Ugh. Alright, it's time to remove the hinge. This is going to be the most fun part of the video. Alright, I got all my screws all mixed up. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to have to remove this guy. The subframe gizmo. There's 3 screws, and I believe they're all different. Yeah, so this side of the hinge, let me see if I can just tighten it. No, it doesn't want to tighten. So we have a Soft T8. Supposedly this is a T8. We got 3 screws. Okay. Fuck. I don't want to remove this whole thing out. Oh, god damn it. See, this hinge just slides in one way. Oh, fuck. Okay, if I open it up all the way, this... Because I should be able to... Son of a biscuit. Now we got... Oh man, I want to say... Do I have to remove this whole fucking thing? Because I think this whole card has to come off first. Because there's a frame below it. And I also think we have to move the CD drive. All right, boom. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we got to remove this one. Yes. Now here's the weird part, is taking it out. Oh god, this is some sketch, yo. So is there anything else connected? There we go. We got one. Let's get this bitch. Oh fuck. Oh. Oh! Yes! Yes! Oh my god. Oh! And then from here, it's. I fucking hate this part. It just slides right off. It slides one way. Oh! Yeah.
Yes!
Oh my god.
Yes! Oh my god.
Okay, you see these hinges? Look at all this play. Alright, you see this? Now if I... That's why there's hinge play. These little screws, they just get loose over time. This is the other side. Yeah. So let's go ahead and tighten them. I believe they're... Oh yeah, and then we have one on the other side as well. Let's get this one. They're hex screws as well, and I think they're smaller than the ones that we were using to remove the motherboard. Let's see if this thing... That pretty much got rid of almost all of it. And it's not super, it's not like a lot. See, it just gets loose ever so slightly. There we go. There we go. Okay. And we're good. Well, for you guys I'm just going to do one more. I'm going to do one more tightened because of how I did those angles. Yeet! And then from here, I'm going to just move this fucking guy as if we have the laptop open. Just gonna do a quick wipe off. Yeah, so the curved part is forward and the flat part is on the bottom, so it can kind of stand. Yeah. Let's get these hinges back on again. Now, we have to get it on an edge. Okay. You're going to have your knees below on here. Oh shit, my knees are too tall on this chair. But we're going to get this motherfucker on here. Okay. So I have, and it's good. It just hangs like that. Because of this reflective aluminum, it likes to give us terrible lighting. And let me we're gonna have to wiggle it around. And try to guide. All right. And before I tighten that side all the way, we have to go to the left side. Look at that. Look how wonderful that looks. So much better clarity. Let's align it. Just when you do this dangling edge thing, maybe I'll use your other hand. Okay, Houston, we have a problem. James just lost the other fucking holders. What the fuck? Okay, if you're stupid, there's one that comes off, one of these little gizmos that comes off, but the other one doesn't because it's stuck on the Wi-Fi card. There's this little bullshit. Oh, fuck. God damn it. What in the... Oh, it's this fucking... God damn, are you kidding me? Okay, we got this little screw right here. And now the speaker's good. If you want to ruin your speakers, you just fucking call it a day. Some customer gives you a complaint, you just fucking do that. You walk away. Oh yeah, I fixed it. And then boom, they come right back in. No, the speakers don't work. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. You're probably going to have to pay for that out of pocket. I just used the wrong screw. Whoopsies. Phillips, duh. They're all Phillips over here. Oh, that's not... Wait, where'd my Phillips screw went? Oh, what the fuck? Let's see, we gotta get another one. Another Phillips. Let's go ahead and put our little H gizmo. Oh shit. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Oh, fuck. Okay, first things first. We have to do this in such a weird way. This is such a pain in the ass. You have no idea. Okay, first things first. Get this connector. First things first, we get this connector. I can't even see this fucking shit. Oh my fucking god. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Okay, and then... Alright. And then this fucking disgusting thing. Oh, fuck, bro. Okay, you gotta make sure this cord, the power cord thing, that it gets... Oh, fuck, dude. Was it this way? No, yeah, it was this way because it was all disgusting. Oh, there we go. So it lines right up on the USBs over here. Sorry for that. We could clean this guy, but I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna put this fucking thing. And we're gonna make sure the LCD cable doesn't get fucked up in the process. Oh yeah, then you gotta make sure all these cables over here. And the fucking battery cable. Ah! Son of a bitch! Just stay out. Okay. These are checked. Okay, what the fuck? Oh, that's for the fan. Okay. All the cables are good. And, oh shit, it's on there. Okay, next. This is gonna be fun. We gotta get the fucking power connector on there. And I just lifted it ever so slightly. And all these fucking... God fucking damn it. All these damn motherfuckers got fucked over again. Oh boy. The hardest part, I believe, is done. Thank you, Jesus. Let's go ahead and connect our power shit again. There we go. Probably should close this. There we go. Now it's closed. Gotta make sure you're oh shit! Oh my god. Woo! Gotta make sure that this aligns up, okay? Just yeah. Just know that, okay? That's just a hint. And do not point with it with a fucking cable, with a damn screwdriver. Jesus Christ. Now, if this was connected to power, something probably bad would have happened, but I removed the battery, so it's not connected to power. But even, oh shit! This is not the right screw to use. Screwdriver, I should say. Just a bit snug, not too over tight. Yeah. And I'm doing it with a weird, like that. I'm not like, no. You gotta do it where like, you go, ah, and you get hurt from your carpal tunnel. That's how tight you want it to be. I should probably make sure I put all the screws on right now. Whoopsies! Alright. And remember, they're the tiny screws for the logic board, okay? So before you start throwing in fucking big hammers, they're not, or big nails, they're not. Although you might want to be on a cloth surface because this will scratch. I don't recommend it. They have like those engineer pads to use. Maybe use one of those. But again, I don't use that, so that's just on. That's if you just want to pay for one of those with the anti-static and all that shit. Yeah. We don't do that. This is a long as fuck video. So remember, this screw that's not connected to the motherboard, it's always going to be the longest. At least on this model. This one's not really connected to the motherboard, but it's pretty close. Okay. And we got one more. Sweet beans. Now this one is going to be, this one's actually so. Okay, let's get this bitch in there. Alright, team. Somebody on the internet said to get fucking tape. I'm pretty heated right now. It took me 30 minutes of trying to connect this cable, and all it took was some tape. Fucking, oh god, don't tell me this tape's gonna be a pain in the ass too. See, it, oh my god. You gotta be bro! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Who? I need a screenshot. Whoever fucking wrote this shit right now. Commander Keen. Jesus Christ. Thank you. Thank you so much. I was watching some soulless video by Save Apple Dollars. That bitch is on there. Fuck that thing. Oh shit, now I gotta deal with this one too. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Oh my god. Fucking Jesus Christ. Okay. I think everything's connected. We gotta connect the hard drive now. What the hell? Oh. Let's see. Just to say that sometimes I don't suggest to drink. I suggest to heavily consume. When you disconnect a battery, there's a chance that it might not turn on when you press the power button. See? Uh-oh. I just heard something. Oh my god. Okay, that was me. Look how fast this thing boots. Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, that battery connector is not on there. Oh, that is not good. Okay, so I just watched a video and it says something about the RAM chip on the bottom gets pushed and it gets fucking weird. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swap the RAM out and just see. He said if there's too much, if the motherboard gets pressure on it, that sometimes it doesn't, it'll fucking fuck up. Pretty sure there's no screws underneath there. The other one. Let's see what happens if I put it on one more time. Okay. Let's have a good luck drink. What the fuck? Okay. That's a new one to me. Holy shit. I learned 2 things today. And I hope you guys learned something. Well, we probably learned more than one thing. But yeah, Macs are this 2011 MacBook Pro. I can't just sing them all out. They're all different, okay? But yeah, this is interesting. So I guess it's good. Let's see if I type in password. My password is password. We got the system going. I think this baby's good to go. Okay, we're just gonna. I guess I'll do 8 gigs installed, but yeah. Oh yeah, and the hinge. I forgot. Oh, it's fucking firm. Okay, it does feel a little bit loose on some parts, but see, the thing is, you push it. Okay, this is a bad example, but I mean, it's not. Let's see if we do it. See how low it goes. Can you guys see it low? Yeah, no. That's fucking great. Turn this motherfucker off. We're done. And that's as far as I would normally go on fixing up a MacBook Pro. It's done. It's ready to use.